So this is a very beautiful insight of Sri Jiva Goswami Pad, quoting his uncle, Bhakti Rastamrita Sindhu. Then in the verse, in the last line in the verse says, Vaijayanti, everyone knows Vaijayanti Mala, 5 different forest flowers combined together. Not market flowers, not from the Mathura Sabji market. These are picked by the gopis and manjaris. They picked fresh flowers, and they're very special wild flowers from the jungle. Vaijayanti. It's amazing how he moves around, how Krishna moves around the forest with such a huge garland. Because the garland goes from his neck all the way to his ankles. However, the Vaijayanti garland is alone is mentioned because this is suitable for forest pastimes. And that garland was made by Radharani, or the gopis, or Brinda Devi, who's also a gopi, and offered to Krishna.